Hello people of the internet, my name is Tatiana. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, happy to have you here. It's been a while since I made a video. I have been busy traveling. Don't worry, there will be vlogs coming out soon. I'm just kind of postponing editing them. So in the meantime, I thought I would do this little haul because I feel like the Sezane videos are always appreciated. I know I love watching these kind of videos just to kind of understand how things fit and maybe hear people's thoughts, because let's face it, not everybody looks like a French model, and it's always nice to see how things fit on regular everyday people. I didn't order many things. As you probably know, Sezane is quite a pricey brand, but I do like their quality, and I feel like anything that you buy from them will last you for a lifetime if you take good care of it. And there were some pieces that I've been eyeing for a while, so we're gonna have a look at them now. One thing that I noticed that they stopped doing is sending tote bags. I feel like I haven't received one in a while. I don't know if those are only included during special promotions. I thought it's like an always on thing, like in the Rouge, for example, you always get a tote bag when you order something, but I haven't received one in a while, and this order is no exception, which is always a bit disappointing. But at the same time, everybody probably already has like thousands of tote bags at home, so probably for the best. Here are my sizes for your comparison in case you are interested in how these clothes might fit on you. This might be helpful. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. I'm gonna start off with this jacket that has been on my wish list for solid 2 years now. I just love the style that it looks kind of like a handkerchief, patchwork kind of style. And I have to say, this thing is really soft. One thing that you can never tell when it comes to these slightly thicker, chunkier jackets is whether it's gonna be soft or like a really stiff fabric, because I have ordered another jacket in a similar style from Sézane, and I felt like it was like really stiff and I couldn't move around. This is not the case. This one is really soft and comfortable and fits true to size. Sézane always has their sizing charts there according to your body measures, but then always under each article they also write down whether it runs true to size or if it's bigger, or like if you're in between sizes, whether you should size up or size down. And I feel like this really helps with the shopping experience. Like for this one, it was if you're in between sizes, go smaller. But for me, the sizing was like exactly size, European size 38, and it fits like it was made for me, which is honestly quite rare, and I'm so happy that it worked because I absolutely love this jacket. One thing that I didn't quite realize online is that the fabric is kind of structured. There are like little bumps on the fabric. Maybe I will then do a detail shot and overlay it so you can see better. It's actually quite a nice detail. I feel like it adds it a little bit more structure. The jacket is fully lined on the inside with a blue soft fabric. I think it's all cotton. I am so happy with how this looks and how this fits. Honestly, I'm kind of glad I didn't keep any of the previous jackets that I've tried, because none of them live up to this. And since I ordered it, I kept seeing so many photos on Pinterest of people wearing this. There are so many ways you can style this. It's so beautiful and so fun, and I'm definitely gonna wear the fuck out of this. I probably shouldn't swear. Sorry. Next up, we have the most honestly disappointing piece of clothing I think I've ever bought from this brand, and it's this denim jumpsuit. It looked stunning on the model. One thing though, and obviously that's on me for not paying enough attention, I thought the sleeves are short, but the model only has them rolled up. So when I put this on and realized that the sleeves are long, I was really disappointed. Also, there is no way that I can roll this up. Like, the sleeves are so tight. I don't think it's physically possible to roll this up. I think my arms are quite skinny, so I don't know how much effort the model must have put into rolling it up for the photo, but I feel like that defeats all physics principles that I know. I had really high hopes for this piece. Like, it just looked beautiful online. Straight cut pants and just a nicely fitting top, and when it came to the sizing, it looked like it should fit me perfectly, but it just looks ridiculous. It just does not work at all. I don't know, really disappointing, not much I can say. Also, it really smells weird. Like, I get it that denim sometimes smells weird, but this one is like very chemical and like kind of smells like these cheap denim pieces that you get in like street markets. Yeah, not very happy with this purchase, definitely going back. I've been eyeing their Clyde Trenchcoat for a really long time now, and I kept telling myself, hey, you have a trench coat that looks okay, you don't need another one. But then they brought out this chocolate colored one with a cheetah or leopard print on the inside, and I was like, you know what, okay, I have to have it. I have a winter coat in a similar color and I wear it every day, and I felt like the beige variation of this is just a bit boring and not quite me. So when I saw this, I had to buy it. I was a little skeptical about the sizing because it is oversized and it does not have a cinch in the waist to make it a little more flattering. And usually with these oversized things, if you're not like 180 or higher, you look like you're drowning in it. With this one, I feel like it's so smartly oversized that like as long as it fits on the shoulders, it doesn't matter that it's long and like a little bit boxy. I love the style. I think it fits perfectly. The quality is insane. The one I have is like so shit compared to this. It's beautifully lined, and I even feel like you can wear this inside out. I don't know, maybe tell me if I'm like delusional, but I really feel like you can get away with wearing this inside out, and I think all of the Clyde Trenchcoats have some sort of one pattern on the inside. I was also intrigued with the other ones with the gingham print, I think it's called, because it was kind of giving Burberry for an affordable-ish price, but this one is just more fun. Still not sure if I will keep it. That's why I didn't cut the back of it, the little flap. If you don't cut that on your clothes, please start doing it. You look ridiculous if you don't. But I'm just trying to, you know, evaluate whether I will wear it enough, because I already have the other trench coat and I don't want to have too many clothes at home, because first of all, I don't have the space to store them, unfortunately, and also I want to live a little more sustainably and just actually keep and have clothes that I wear on daily basis. And I'm trying to think about what I can do with the older trench coat. Maybe I will paint on it to make it a little more fun, and just have this as a simple piece. But I don't know, please tell me in the comments if I should keep it, because I really feel like it looks amazing and I love the quality. I'm just not 100% sure if it's a responsible thing to keep it. Last but not least, I also got a pair of shoes. Now, Sezane shoes are a hit or miss. For example, I had a chance to try on the Mary Janes, the babies, when I was in New York, and I don't think I've ever tried a more uncomfortable shoe. I don't understand how people can wear that. It's so heavy, and just the cut wasn't very nice in general. But on the other hand, their espadrilles are super comfortable and very airy and fit perfectly. So I was like, you know what, let me gamble. I will get this pair because I really like the way it looks. I do not like the way it looks on me. I thought this would be a pair of like cool girl shoes, like everyday kind of style, but a little more dressy. It doesn't look great on the feet, on the feet somehow. Like, I don't know, it's just like kind of grandma looking style, and I thought like, oh, maybe it's not the right size, or maybe I'm supposed to tie this a little bit tighter. I just feel like it doesn't work, but I'm not sure. I also don't love the tubby style shoes, and maybe this is kind of bordering on that vibe, and I feel like that's why it doesn't work. Not sure, but I think I will be sending these back. I feel like it just doesn't fit right. I don't know. If you've bought these shoes, please let me know. I really thought I would love them, and I was also considering getting them in the other color, but I'm just not a fan, and I don't know what it is that I just don't like about these shoes. It just somehow doesn't work. Please let me know in the comments. Maybe I'm just overly critical today. As usual, my camera overheated, but I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was maybe a little bit helpful in case you are thinking about buying any of these pieces to see how it fits. Please let me know what you thought about these pieces. I always love to chat with you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!